If you're experiencing issues with disabling multiplayer in Minecraft, follow these straightforward steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Open Minecraft Launcher. Launch the Minecraft application on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the game settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once the game is open, navigate to the main menu and click on Settings. This will take you to the configuration options for your game. Step 3. Select Multiplayer Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Multiplayer section. Click on it to access the multiplayer options where you can adjust your preferences. Step 4. Disable Multiplayer. Within the multiplayer settings, find the option that allows you to disable multiplayer. Toggle this setting off to prevent other players from joining your game. Step 5. Save changes and restart. After disabling multiplayer, make sure to save your changes. Exit the settings menu and restart the game to ensure the new settings take effect. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully disable multiplayer in Minecraft. If you encounter further issues, consider checking for updates or consulting the Minecraft support forums for additional assistance.